To change the battery mode on POCO M8 Pro 5G, let's start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to move down, and here we want to find the battery. If you select that, you can switch your current mode between performance mode, balanced mode, battery saver and ultra battery saver. And the difference is performance should boost, as it says, performance of your device, but at the same time it will take less time to discharge your phone. So for example, this gives us 18 hours and 31 minutes remaining, and the balance mode is 1 hour higher. Then there's the battery save balanced, which is, as it says, balanced between everything, and you can adjust your settings. This is your standard mode for this phone. Next thing is battery saver. It adjusts the brightness and few other settings like the refresh rate, some of the dark mode, and etc. to save battery on your phone. And as you can see, it gives me almost 4 or 5 hours even of battery time additionally. Then there's the ultra battery saver, which is ridiculous when it comes to battery saving, but if you enter it, your phone will drastically change. So you will lose your UI, it will turn off most of the services and etc. You also won't be able to access your apps normally. To access them, you will need to click on this plus button and add them manually, and then you'll be able to use them. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.